also. IoT features also. So what are the IoT features? First, artificial intelligence. Yes, IoT use artificial intelligence. Connectivity with the sensors, softwares, hardwares, networks. Sensors are there into the every IoT application, Internet of Things application. Sensors will sense the activity, sense the particular motion, sense the particular maybe they sense the particular things, and according to that he will do the analysis of the particular data, and he will take a decision or he will generate some reports. Active engagement of the particular softwares and particular IoT uh, devices and devices are there. So these are some IoT features are there of IoT. Now why IoT? We are maybe yesterday we have discussed about why IoT. Nowadays why Internet of Things? There is a this is a new emerging area where the growth is high nowadays. And lots of products are available in the market. Lots of products from maybe home appliances to the production appliances, manufacturing appliances, security appliances, healthcare appliances. Lots of appliances or lots of devices are available in IoT, Internet of Things. So organizations in variety of industries are using IoT to operate more efficiently, better understand customers to deliver enhanced customer service, improve decision making, and increase the value of the business. Why IoT is required nowadays? Because everywhere, one more thing, लाइव सीआईडी कौन है, कौन एडमिट हो गए पुलिस में लाइव सीआईडी करके, is there is from my class live CID 30 double S double 7F8? Anyone in the class who will join from this login ID? Live CID 30 double A double 7. Yes. Otherwise, I will remove from the meeting that particular ID. Okay. Now, this is the organizational IoT. Nothing but nowadays, Internet of Things. Just a minute. Okay. Now, why IoT? Nowadays, every organization, human being, customers, any manufacturing, if we go for the hospitality, medical field, nowadays they have implemented Internet of Things. It can be save the time, it can save the money, and it can save the particular risk. Live CID कौन है? Live CID 30 user name I am getting here. It's in lobby. कौन है? Okay. Now, why IoT? Because it is efficiently we are able to go. We can save the time. We can save the particular resources because we have limited resources, and we use that IoT based things. So surely it will save time. It will decrease the risk. It will decrease the risk also of a human being, maybe the society. So nowadays everywhere we are using a sensor, and that sensors will work, and they will capture the data. They will do the analysis. So why IoT? Now we are going to do is how IoT works. कैसे काम करता है? How IoT works. So how IoT is working. So we'll see how IoT will work. The Internet of Things, also sometimes referred as the Internet of Everything, that is IoT, consists of all the web-enabled services that collect, send, and act on a data they acquire from their surrounding environment using embedded sensors, processors, and communication hardware. So first, they will collect the data. Nothing but it is internet based or internet of everything, where they can collect and save and act on the data. Collect, nothing but sensors will collect the data. They can save to the particular server or particular software and act on the data. Act on the data, nothing but analyze the data. And on that basis, they can do some analysis and they can take an decisions. So at the data they acquire from their surrounding environment using embedded sensors, processors, and communication hardware. These devices, often called connected or smart devices, can sometimes talk to other related devices or process called as a machine-to-machine communication and act on the information they get from the one another. For example, we take an example of a smartwatch itself. Only one example, smartwatch. So it will collect the data. Smartwatch, it will collect the data of your, if you have from your human body, it will collect the data and automatically it will synchronize your data on your mobile phone, and it will generate some report. How many steps you walked, what was the heart rate, what was the pulse rate. Everything can be generated in a report, and it will give some direction, some suggestion, some information about the particular on the collected data. So this is a machine to machine. Your smart watch also machine and your mobile phone also machine. So they synchronize the data, but they have collected your smartwatch. They have collected the data from your human body, and that data can be shared with the machine to machine. So there is a no intervention of any human being. There is a no intervention of a human being. So yes, this is the, it will work. So sensors will sense the data and it will collect the data, and that data can be shared. That data can be transferred from the one machine to the another machine. A smartwatch, it can be one machine, and your mobile phone or your website of the particular smartwatch or that particular website of the particular application, that is nothing but a second machine. The communication can be done through on the internet base, on the internet. Automatically, it will, data can be stored, data can be shared with the particular application, and act on the information they get from one another. So they act nothing but they will analyze and they will give you some reports. So this is the IoT. Now, how it works? Human can interact with the gadgets. Just I said example, a smartwatch. A very good example, smartwatch. Nowadays we are using, we are wearing that smartwatch, everyone. And human can interact with the gadgets to set them up, give them instruction or access the data, but the device do most of the work on their own without human intervention. He will take the data, for example, body temperature. It will take the temperature of your body temperature and it will give it to the machine learning without intervention, machine to the another machine, without intervention of human being. Automatically it will take. If you set some alarms or if you set some schedule to that particular smartwatch, that after 2 hours, after 3 hours, you can collect the data of my blood pressure, you can collect the data of my heart rate, you can collect the data of my pulse rate. So it will automatically, it will collect and it will send to the particular machine or particular website. So yes, so human can interact with all the that particular gadgets. That gadget will interact with the human and automatically data can be given. Now next is there is an existence has been made possible by all TV mobile components that are available these days, as well as always online nature of our home and business networks. So nowadays you will see that into the pandemic situation, you will see that most of our family members or most of our family homes, they having a separate internet connection. They have separate internet connection. Maybe the broadband, maybe the lease line, maybe the Wi-Fi connection they have taken in their homes. Nowadays, internet-based things, internet-based usage, it is day by day increasing into the pandemic situation, and yes, and nowadays applications are available in that. So these are the some how it will work. Sensors will sense the data, they collect the data. That data can be shared to the machines without intervention of other human beings, and it will share with the particular thing and it will generate the reports. Now, this is the some diagrammatic our IoT application architecture. We don't have in detail, in depth. We have to don't need to go into that. We have the theoretical aspect, but we will discuss some. This is a technical concept. We are not that much required for our But yes, we'll see this is a architecture, IoT application architecture, how IoT will work. So we'll see that collaboration process applications are there. So Wi-Fi and all these things are there. Video camera, then uh, Yogesh, mute yourself. Unmute yourself. Okay. Now, this is the data abstraction, then data accumulation, age of computing, connectivity, physical device and the things of IoT. So यहाँ पे devices लगाए हैं, devices है या sensors है, उसके बाद ये hardware रहते हैं. Generally we can call it as embedded development or embedded software. where जो sensors है, उनको we have connected with the software. So embedded है. Embedded software, then use of that software, and that software can that sensors will collect the data into the database. Database can be analyzed and some reports can be done. यहाँ पे applications है जो analytics करेंगे. Applications that create a analytics, and analytics will generate some reports. So here are the reports, and maybe with the desktop reports, maybe you will get some information maybe on the mobile phone, and it can be connected with the Wi-Fi and all these things. So this is the simple architecture. We don't have into the syllabus, but just knowledge. We are just discussing that. So now the Internet of Things of life cycle. So what will be the life cycle of Internet of Things? How it will be? What will be the life cycle? What will be the first stage and last stage? First, collect. Second, communicate, and third, analyze, and fourth is the now. Okay, so we are discussing collect, communicate, analyze, and act. So then the Internet of Things life cycle is starting with the collecting the data. The sensors we have fitted, the IoT application, IoT device we have fixed in your home, in your company, in your offices that collect the data. Day to day, they will collect the data and that communicate with the particular application. Maybe your smart devices, smart mobile phone, maybe the web application, maybe a software. That data, whatever data collected by the particular sensors, that collected data can be communicated, can be transferred to the particular softwares, and softwares after that they will do the analysis of the data. Whatever data we are required, whatever data we have received, the data can be analyzed by the particular application and it will act according to that. Automatically it will take a decision. Whatever data we have received, on that basis it will analyze and it will generate the report as well as he will take a decision. He will act on that. So this is the Internet of Things on life cycle. So yes, sensors will collect the data, it will communicate with the particular softwares, hardwares, websites, and after that collected data can be analyzed by the various applications, maybe analyzing tools, and after that we will get some reports, and reports can be read by that particular IoT application, and according to that it will take a decision. Maybe the action can be taken by the particular IoT device. So this is the simple life cycle of Internet of Things. So IoT life cycle. So here also same thing I have given, collection, same. These are the four basic stages are there. So what things can be done into the collection, communication, analysis, and action. So I discussed collection, nothing but devices and the sensors are collecting the data everywhere at your home, in your office, at the manufacturing unit. Then they will communicate the data. So whatever collected data, collected, that can be communicated with the particular application, sending the data and events through the networking some to the destination, a cloud platform, private data centers, or home network. So cloud platforms are so there. Nowadays we are using cloud platforms for storing the lots of information on that. Now next, analysis can be done. Whatever data can be communicated, then data can be stored at a database of a particular IoT application or cloud platform. Then analyzing of the collected data. It will create information from the data. Data sensors will give you data and it is communicated to software. But the analysis, when we can say, when a data can be converted into the information. When data can be converted into the information. So data nothing but raw facts and figures. So this is a definition. Data nothing but a raw facts and figure. But information which will give some insights. When we read that particular sentence or read that particular information, then we can take some decision. So a processed data, it is a raw facts and figure, but information, it is nothing but a processed data by applying some tools, statistical tools, techniques on that, and it will take it will be informing you, that it will give some knowledge to you, that information, then we can call it as the information. So visualizing the data, tabulation of the data, filtering of data, that can be done. These are some methods of a data analysis. So that can be done into the third series. And fourth series, action. The whatever data is analyzed and whatever information is generated, on that basis the IoT application, IoT device can take a decision itself. There is no need to human to interact with the particular thing. Press the button, press the thing. No. That particular machine, particular device itself, he takes the decision. So taking action based on the information and data communicated with the another machine and send notification, SMS and emails, text, etc. All that things can be received. That things can be received by a particular IoT device and action can be taken. So these are the some basic stages of a IoT. So the life cycle of IoT: collection of data, second communication of the data, third analysis of data, and action of data. So IoT. Now IoT sensors. So where are the IoT sensors can be? Nowadays everywhere we are using IoT sensors everywhere. Lots of new opportunities, lots of new fields are available where we can implement IoT based application, or we can use IoT into their operations. So everywhere we are using that. So one by one we'll see where we are using the particular IoT sensors. Positions, presence, proximity. Nothing but position. Just someone has infrastructure itself. Someone has motion sensors. So motion sensors. He will find out. For example, our smartwatch also, he knows that कि motion sensors उसमें भी है. आपका mobile phone, very good example, a mobile phone. That is, we can say that हम जब screen उल्टा करते हैं ना, rotate off and rotate, rotate off and rotating. So automatically it will rotate the thing. आप mobile घुमाओगे तो IoT से उसमें sensors है. The sensors will detect that the particular movement of your mobile phone. कैसे वो circulate हुआ है, कैसे rotate हुआ है. According to that, your screen can be rotated. So position and presence and proximity कैसे हुआ है. So what will be the position, what will be the presence, कैसे है. So this is also sensors. So IoT sensors first this is. Second, motion, velocity and displacement. Motion, velocity and displacement. So motion, yes, already we have discussed motion. Then velocity of the particular area of the particular devices. So how it is. Then temperature sensors. Temperature sensors, we know that temperature sensors are there. If you, for example, if you in offices also, if you are in offices, automatic AC are there. For example, if you see the lots of new cars are coming, they have automatic control, automatic AC control. When it will automatically, it will find that, it will check that what was your car temperature, what was the external temperature, and automatically the AC will set the temperature. Automatically AC will set the temperature and it will on itself. So this is nothing but the temperature sensors. So lots of where human being having some troubles, maybe the server rooms में जाओगे देखोगे या आपके ऑफिस में भी देखोगे बहुत सारे सेंसर्स लगे हैं. आप मतलब सेंट्रलाइज एसी आप देखते होंगे तो सेंट्रलाइज एसी कब बंद होता है कब चालू होता है. So automatically the temperature will go below 20 degree centigrade or 18 degree centigrade. Automatically the AC will be shut down or AC will be off. So when temperature will go above 25 degree centigrade, then automatically AC will be on. So same thing. It can be this is sensors. Sensors will detect the data, collect the data. He has collected that now temperature is at 25 degree centigrade, and he will take a decision that he will give an SMS, give an notification that now we have to start our AC. So motion detector, then temperature motion detector. Very good example for that your mobile phone, smartwatch, smart mobile phone. That they have inbuilt sensors into that. So automatically it will detect the position of your mobile phone. आपने कैसे पकड़ा है mobile phone. so automatically the screen will be changed. आपका screen जो है वो automatically change होता है. Then humidity and moisture also. Nowadays in farming, बहुत सारे लोग farmers they are using these types of sensors. Humidity कितनी है, moisture कितने हैं, according to that we can take a decision. So nowadays farmers have already implemented their sensor-based sensors into the farm, and they have connected with the particular water supply or water pumps. If the moisture goes below that, or if the humidity what was this particular range, then automatically the pump will be started and the pumping of the water can be started automatically. So this is the thing. Maybe we are also you हम हमारे घर में भी यूज करते होंगे आपका मतलब जो स्टोरेज टैंक वगैरह रहता है तो हम वहाँ पे वॉल क्लॉक लगता है वॉल क्लॉक. So automatically the level goes particular level, automatically the motor of the particular water pump can be identified the notification and it will start. So same thing, this is nothing but a sensor bus. कोई वहाँ पे नहीं रहेगा, there is no human interaction, but decision can be taken. Collected the data, that temperature it will like that 25 degrees centigrade, and you will notify to the machine that the temperature is 25 degree. Now you can start the AC. So automatically your AC can be started. There is no human interaction. Your human will go and start the thing. No. Then sound and vibrations. Sound and vibrations also there. These sensors are also available. Acoustic and sound and sound vibrations. Chemical and gas also. Chemical and gas. Very good example. फायर का जो रहता है ना फायर सेंसर्स. इफ यू आर इनटू योर ऑफिस आपने देखा होगा स्मोक डिटेक्टर वायर स्मोक डिटेक्शन इनटू द ऑफिस. सच टाइप्स ऑफ सेंसर्स आल्सो kept into the particular into the offices or in your home also, so they can detect the particular sense. Then flow of water, very good example for the flow of water. Flow of water कैसे आता है? For example, very good example we will discuss for this. आप सोलापुर रोड गए क्या? पुणे सोलापुर रोड हैव यू विजिटेड? कोई एनीवन सोलापुर से है क्या? कोई पुणे से सोलापुर जाते हो आपने उरुळी कांचन में देखा है क्या? क्या है उरुळी कांचन? हैव यू हर्ड द नेम उरुळी कांचन इन पुणे? यस सर. व्हाट वाज दैट? यहाँ पे ये आप कदम वहां बस्ती वगैरह सुना होगा ना, तो आप वहां पे क्या देखे आपने? इज देयर सीन समथिंग? वहाँ पे ना एचपी, हिंदुस्तान पेट्रोलियम, भारत पेट्रोलियम एंड इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन की वहाँ पे स्टोरेज टैंक है पेट्रोल एंड डीजल के. ये सब नो, ये सब नो देखिए क्या? आर यू इन द क्लास? सिंपल क्वेश्चन.
ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया दे जाते वक्त कभी वहाँ
नहीं किया? अरे कैसे जाते हो फिर? Yes, there are storage tanks of a petrol, nothing but maybe the supply for the Pune and nearby cities. It is done from that particular place. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे बड़े-बड़े स्टोरेज टैंक्स हैं, बट स्टोरेज टैंक में पेट्रोल या डीजल कहाँ से आता है? आपने देखा होगा, आपने सुना होगा. Any idea regarding this? Maybe those are Pune. Maybe they know that lots of issues are happen with a particular case, particular things. आपने देखा होगा कहाँ से पेट्रोल आता होगा? पेट्रोल कहाँ से आता है या डीजल कहाँ से आता है? Anyone? ये जो पुणे में आ रहा है वहाँ पे स्टोरेज टैंक है, दैट इज फ्रॉम माय साइड. लेकिन ये पुणे में तो नहीं है पेट्रोल मिलता है. यहाँ पे वहाँ पे तो ये नहीं है, सोर्स ऑफ पेट्रोल नहीं है. एक पेट्रोल तो बाहर से आ रहा है. कहाँ से आता है पेट्रोल? डीजल. एनीवन? Which countries? Yes.
सर ईरान.
Yes. Okay. वो वहाँ से आता है, लेकिन जो मुंबई में आता है, मुंबई में आता है, and then after that things that whatever petrols are there, it is coming through the pipeline. It is coming through the pipeline to the till पुणे. आपने सुना होगा पुणे तक आता है पेट्रोल पाइपलाइन से. So how maybe the things that कि आप कितना इन कर रहे हो पेट्रोल, मतलब कितना वहां से आप छोड़ रहे हो पेट्रोल और यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है, दैट इज आल्सो डिटेक्टेड विद द सेंसर. बीच में कहाँ पे तो आपको फॉर एग्जांपल लाइन कहाँ पे तो डैमेज हुई है, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. किसी ने लाइन फोड़ के पेट्रोल चोरी करने के लिए बहुत सारे किस्से हुए हैं. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. आपने आप पुणे में रहेंगे तो उन्होंने सुना होगा, न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा होगा. सो जो लाइन है वो तोड़ के या उसमें थोड़ा दे हैव केप्ट हॉल into that and they can कि पेट्रोल का वो ये करते थे, they are using और चोरी करते थे पेट्रोल बहुत सारा था. लेकिन they have that particular companies they have fixed some sensors कि कितना वहां से इन हो रहा है और यहाँ पे कितना आउट हो रहा है. So they are going to check through the sensors, and if there is some damage into the pipeline, automatically the sensors will give you the information where the damage is there, which actual area the damage is there. क्या damage है, क्या उधर से in नहीं आ रहा है. So this is the very good example of a sensors. Automatically they will collect the data. They have kept some data. The line which is coming, it is the sensors. वहाँ पे उसने sensors बिठाया उस line के उसको. And automatically it will detect. So this is the, and it is a risky. As a human being, we are not able to always go to the petrol tank and we can check the level, we can check the things. It is difficult. We are not able to open the, no. Always we are going to check. No, it is difficult. If it is a risky one. So they have fixed the sensors. Automatically they will check the level of the particular tank and it will give the things. Maybe the कहाँ से आ रहा है वो petrol. So everything. If there is a damage, if it is damage into the particular pipeline, all these things. So it is detected by the particular sensors, and sensors will give you the information. So this is a very good example of maybe the flow. I said flow of water as well as the flow of petrol. Nowadays, flow of water, if you see that flow of water, nothing but prepaid हम बोलते हैं prepaid recharge of a water tank. Very good example. Those are from Pune cities. I will give an example of Nanded city. Have you visited Nanded city? Nanded city या मधुरपटा city आपने देखा होगा. तो वहाँ पे जो homes, जहाँ पे जो flats हैं, वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि prepaid connection है. Prepaid. We have to recharge in advance. आप जितना रिचार्ज करोगे, फॉर एग्जांपल आज मैंने 100 रुपीस का प्रीपेड रिचार्ज किया पानी का, तो 100 रुपीस का ही पानी आएगा, आपको उतना ही आएगा. तो हमें रिचार्ज जितना किया उतना ही रिचार्ज. So automatically the sensors will sense, and automatically the how much recharge we have done, automatically that much water will come to your particular place. So prepaid recharge for the particular this flow. So these types of sensors are available. Flow sensors are available. So for flow sensor, very good example, the pipeline of petrol and diesel from Mumbai to the Pune. So very good example, the sensors are kept. Now force, load, torque, strain, and pressure sensors. So these types of sensors are also used into the various devices. बहुत सारे डिवाइस में ये लगा के रखे. Force, load, torque, strain, and pressure. इस सारे इसके भी आपने देखे होंगे. बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्जांपल्स हैं कि वहाँ पे ये सेंसर्स they have fitted, and on that basis they can take the data. Now leaks and levels. So very good example for that. Leaks of, for example, gas. आपने देखा होगा जो LPG का सिलेंडर आता है, उसके साथ एक डिवाइस भी आता है. If you have using that devices, उसमें सेंसर्स है. If there is a leak of gas, वो डिटेक्ट करेगा automatically. Even regulator or even automatically it will stop the gas LPG from the particular gas. Nowadays MNGL has given a piped gas connection. MNGL, Maharashtra Natural Gas Limited. If you see the CNG, now MNGL, it was a CNG provider into the Pune or in Maharashtra. They are providing the piped gas. Nowadays piped gas from the particular source to the particular customer, they are coming through the piped gas. And if there are sensors into the particular machines, they have sensors कि वो कहाँ पे लीकेज हुआ है या लेवल क्या है, sensors they will detect. So water level, automatically it will detect the water level. It will detect the petrol tank lever particular tank, and it will give you the sensors. आप levels and leaks के लिए देखोगे तो आपका जो कार है या आपका जो टू व्हीलर है, तो आप देखोगे sensors it will beep you, it will monitor you. आपका पेट्रोल का टैंक है, फुल होता है तो आपको दिखता है कि सभी लाइंस है जो फुल के दिखता है. जैसे जैसे खत्म हो जाएगा, जैसे जैसे पेट्रोल खत्म हो जाएगा, वैसे वैसे वो लाइन एक एक खत्म. Otherwise the progress जो बार है वो automatically it will decrease the level. So the sensors will give you data. ये पेट्रोल का लेवल यहाँ पे है तो आपको दिखाएगा, यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करेगा कि पेट्रोल का लेवल इतना है. So levels and leaks nothing but maybe the water supply leak, maybe the petrol leak, maybe the gas leakage, maybe the these things. So that types of sensors are available. That type of sensors also used in our device. Then electric and magnetic. So electric and magnetic sensors also used in various platforms. Electric sensors are there. Maybe they were going to check the how much electricity has been come, what was the voltage, and this thing. So yes, there are some applications are there. Then accelerator and tilt, acceleration and tilt. I think acceleration of your particular object कैसे घूम रहा है, कैसे ये हो रहा है, tilt कैसे हो रहा है, कितना ये हुआ है. So that type of sensors also used. Then machine vision and optical ambient light. So machine vision also that there. So as well as camera, they will sense the things, and these are some sensors that can be used in various IoT application. Various nowadays, yes. If you go into the any digital digital shop, you will find lots of application IoT application where IoT sensors are used. So these are some sensors, some basic sensors are used. These are some basic information about the sensors. It is a raw. I just given information. We will go in detail. Lots of sensors, lots of things we are able to understand. Now we'll see that IoT companies. Which of the companies are providing IoT based applications, IoT based tools, IoT based device. So IBM is there, Google is there, Intel is there, Microsoft is there, Cisco is there. So these are some leading companies. I can say these are some leading companies who are providing you the IoT based applications. So this is providing an IoT application. So these are some companies. Now yes, Internet of Things where it can be used. Internet of Things where it can be used. कहाँ पे use होता है? So image itself it can give you an idea. So no need to explain. First IoT can be used in a home. Lots of applications are coming which are used in a home. And now we are using also. For example, LPG gas leakage unit also coming. So it will detect the gas smell and it will give you the alarm. Then into the music also sensors are there. Otherwise sound recognition, you can say that sound recognition, यहाँ पे भी sound recognition है. Then into the movie and everywhere, movie में भी use करते हैं. फोटो निकालते वक्त आप देखोगे तो फोटो के इसमें, then calculation, then emails also sensors are there. मेरा पोस्ट में आप देखोगे very good example RFID technology. We are coming with RFID technology. स्मार्ट हम गाड़ी पे लगाते हैं स्मार्ट जो है स्टिकर हम बोलते हैं दैट थिंग्स इनटू कमिंग. देन मैसेज में है, घड़ी में है, वॉचेस आल्सो देयर. सो वी आर यूजिंग द सेंसर्स नाउडेज. देन in time if you want to check, and then we are using into the cameras into the particular vehicles also, smart devices also there. In manufacturing also there, मतलब जहाँ पे report generation can be done, यहाँ पे analysis करते हैं वहाँ पे sensors है. Medical field, health related. So everywhere we are using the sensors and IoT. Lots of things are there that are there. IoT application and use cases. IoT applications and use cases. कहाँ पे IoT use किया जाता है? Application. In first is the smartphone application. Smart home applications are there. Wearable nothing but your smartwatch हम wear करते हैं. Wearable applications are there. Third is the smart cities. Smart cities now Pune will be the smart city which will be the coming year. The smart city, it will detect the motion, it will detect the tilt, it will detect the acceleration, it will detect the level, it will detect the pollution. Everything can be detected automatically and it will give you some result on that. Smart grids are there. Industrial internet, connected cars are there. Connected cars, connected health, smart retail, smart supply chain, and smart farming. So where these are some IoT applications are used in this particular field. So स्मार्ट होम में घर में यूज करते हैं. बहुत सारे अभी एप्लीकेशन हम घर में यूज करते हैं. ऑलरेडी वी आर यूजिंग लॉट्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन. वेरिएबल एप्लीकेशन नथिंग बट योर स्मार्ट वॉच एंड स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस व्हिच you are using that. So wearable, smart cities. Smart cities also they are implementing IoT based technology. Maybe the electricity saving, maybe the water supply, maybe the health care. They are using IoT based things. Then smart grids are there. Maybe electricity or some companies are coming together, grids, industrial internet, then connected cars, connected health is there, smart retail and supply chain and smart farming. So smart farming, it is nowadays it is language. Now here is the some pictorial representation of smart home. कैसे काम करता होगा? तो smart home देखो आप कि yes, क्या आप घर में बैठ के कार स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, या घर में बहुत सारे सेंसर्स लगते हैं, घर में लगा हुआ एग्जॉस्ट फैन, या घर में लगा हुआ ट्यूबलाइट, घर में लगा हुआ पानी, आप इधर से मोबाइल से बंद कर सकते हो, या घर इंटरनेट से बंद कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल आप if you come early in the morning in hurry and you forget to switch off the particular light, then you can come at the office and you can do the switching off of your lots of devices by sitting at home. So this is the sitting at the office. So smartphones. So lots of applications are there into the smart home. Now wearable I just discussed that we are using smartwatch, smart bands. Into that lots of applications are there which can be cover everything of your human life, human being, and it can be connected with the server. Automatically this data can be stored into the particular application or the servers. So wearable. So first we have discussed house, then second we have discussed wearable device. Then next is the smart grid. Smart grid nothing but it is a combination. It is a combination of the all society parts. So combination can be done or it can be called as a grid. Grid में क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे there are all the things are there into the grid. Family members are there, terminal points are there, or some companies are there, some government companies are there. Then those who are keeping they are coming to the offices or they are coming to the society member to collect the garbage. They are also there. So while collecting the particular garbage, particular thing, कहाँ पे भी आप देखोगे तो क्या अभी पहले हमने देखा होगा कि अभी पुणे में किया था उन्होंने कि कहाँ से कचरा आ रहा है, कौन से टाइप का कचरा आ रहा है. तो if you see the nowadays we are facing the garbage issue. अभी देखोगे कि बहुत सारा problem in future it will come garbage. क्योंकि गार्बेज क्या होता है कि अभी आप देखोगे कि disposal of that particular garbage nowadays it is a big problem for the various municipal corporation and government also. So what type of garbage is coming, from where it is coming, what are the things are there into that. So that things also collected data. ये कहाँ से आ रहा है डेटा, तो ये कहाँ से garbage आ रहा है, तो उसको कहाँ पे भेजना है, या सिटीजन ऑफिस से का क्या आ रहा है, या ड्यूरेबल एनर्जी भी वो कनेक्टेड है, वाइड जनरेटर आल्सो कनेक्टेड है, and everything factories are also connected. So smart grid it is nothing but the connection. It is a combination of all the factory, home, individual person, renewable energy, vehicles that are connected with the IoT. Everything can be connected with the IoT, and we are taking decisions. So yes, this is the smart grid. Then connected car. Yes, a connected car. Nowadays, if we can detect if कार मेरी कहाँ पे खड़ी है, कार हम कार we can check the status of a car, मतलब check we can check progress. जो prime cars आते हैं बड़े-बड़े, मतलब good brands cars with costly, so they have mobile application, they have smart application into their mobile phone, and they can check the health of the particular car कैसे है, or how when we are oil the car, what was the average, what was the things, कहाँ पे खड़ी है, GPS and all these things, locking, unlocking, battery performance कैसे है. So everything can be done on through the particular mobile application. Nowadays, cars also coming with the sensors. Cars also coming with the sensors. So in new car, base 6 cars, you can see that lots of sensors are fixed into the particular car. Lots of sensors. For example, आपने सुना होगा जब तक आप पेट्रोल का जो लीड है, मतलब पेट्रोल का जो ढक्कन है, आपने पेट्रोल भरा और ढक्कन बंद नहीं किया, तब तक आपका गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं होगी. Is there you have heard this? कार में.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how it is possible? It is nothing but due to the sensors only. हम जब तक कार का जब पेट्रोल भरते हैं या कोई भी रहेगा तो मेन सब जो है ऊपर का ढक्कन हम बंद करते हैं, उसके बाद ही जो मेन जो है ढक्कन that lead we can say that if you are not able to close that properly till your car will not start. तो देखो मतलब कैसे what are the sensors are there fixed. उन्होंने चेक किया motion sensors, maybe the has checked the particular fluid capacity, fluid lead, and after that he will take a decision that हाँ अभी बंद किया है तो you can start your car, otherwise you are not able to start with that. So this is the very good example of particular this connected car. Now we are connected with the GPS, we are connected with the Bluetooth, we are connected with the Wi-Fi. Whatever data are there, it can be stored on a cloud. So yes, your car can be connected by with the n number of features, n number of utility, n number of connection with the particular service center, particular user, particularly you also. So connected cars. This is a good example of smart. For example, this is a good example of particular. For example, IoT. Now, health into the health means. So health now everything can be done. पहले फोटो पेरा now it is can be that to the mobile phone. हम जब मोबाइल की स्क्रीन पे ऊपर हम हाथ रखेंगे तो automatically it will show you what is your BP, what is your pulse rate, what is your other things. So automatically this thing. So nowadays it has changed. Everything can be changed. That physically going to the particular place, don't need to go. Your mobile phone can be give an accurate address. Maybe coming days, there is a huge growth for such types of device that collect the human being data, that can collect your particular machinery data, maybe your for example your car data, your bike data can be collected and automatically give you notification to you that your bike is ready to servicing. Your bike should be serviced on this particular thing. Maybe आपने देखा होगा कि yes, it is a everything can be on a digital health. Now smart supply chain are there. Smart supply chain. Okay, we'll stop here now. 10:30 is there already, so we'll stop here. And okay. Have you submitted the assignments? Gmail के form link पे आपको submit करना है assignments. Those who are facing maybe 1 or 2 times they will face the problem, but there are some of students they are submitting that submitted the assignment through the same link. So you can submit the assignment as early as possible. Most probably before next, I will give an extend date for that. At least next Monday तक तो आप submit करो, because due to the link problem आया होगा या आपने नहीं लिखा होगा. लिखो आज फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे मंडे तक लिखो एंड मंडे आप फाइनल. अदरवाइज मंडे को मैं लिंक को बंद कर दूंगा और मंडे को मैं पीपीटी का लिंक अपलोड करने वाला हूँ. तो पीपीटी आप उसके साथ बनाओ. तो नेक्स्ट 10 मार्क्स ऑन द पीपीटी. अभी असाइनमेंट का 10 मार्क्स आएगा, उसके बाद पीपीटी